Hold these points for 60 seconds and see what happens in your body. Today, we're going to teach you some of your body's secret tricks for significantly reducing pain and improving general well-being. The last trick will surprise you because it's hidden in your body and you didn't know it. Point of wisdom number 1. You'll sleep like a baby once you've found this point in your body. This point will reduce cortisol levels, relieving stress and tension. Massaging these points will help you have more focus, concentration, and memory. Massage your index finger in a circular motion for 60 seconds before bed, and you'll thank me for acupuncture point no. 2. Try that too. Just by pressing this acupuncture point, you can relieve knee pain. Do this for 1 or 2 minutes a day, and you'll thank me. Number 3. End point. This pressure point is in the corner of the eye. It is especially effective in combating migraines and reducing eye fatigue. Simply rub this point with your fingertips until you feel relief. 4th point of the gates of consciousness. The gates of consciousness are located near the sides of the neck, at the base of the skull. This point will be your best friend for headaches, migraines, and dizziness. To relieve these unpleasant symptoms, simply apply pressure to the point and hold it for a minute. You'll feel good in no time. Number 5. 5 vitality points. Do these 5 exercises with 10 repetitions every day and it will change your life. Let's massage these 5 points on your hand. This point helps to calm the throat. We massage the point that helps our back and hips. We massage the point that helps our skin. And this point helps us sleep. And finally, we stimulate this point to feel happier. Make sure you massage each one for a minute on your left hand. What are you waiting for? Save this video and practice it today. Knee points number 6. Do these 4 excellent exercises on your knee and you'll thank me self-massage technique for knee pain. First, massage up and down 10 times. This is great for eliminating knee pain. Do this on both knees. Second, massage from side to side 10 more times. Repeat this on both knees. This will strengthen the knee joint. Third, make circular movements. This is great for unlocking your joint. Fourth, press your knee up and down. This helps to combat swelling, muscle inflammation, locked knees, and noisy knees. Do this every day, and you'll thank me. Number 7. 4 vitality points. These 4 points can be found on the lower back, about 2 to 4 fingers on either side of the spine. Apply pressure to each of the 4 points for 1 minute. This really helps to get relief from stomach pain, abdominal pain, and swallowing. Just like the other points. You can repeat the procedure twice a day to feel better. Which of these tricks for the human body did you like the most? Until the next video, may God be with you.